Fox JD here, and this is part 2 of my acro diaries with the Eachine QX65. Now if you're coming to this without seeing part 1 is in the description there, and as I say in part 1, this is just basically me wanting to document how I'm learning to fly acro and how well I'm doing, so I can look back at it within a couple of months and see exactly what's going on. Now this isn't a beginner guide, this isn't a how-to acro, this is just how I am learning, and I think it may be of some use to some people out there. And of course people have asked me to put out these videos rather than just keep them to myself. And so yes, so in this video we're going to carry on, we're going to pick up from where we left off in part 1. We're going to just be flying around a bit more, got 2 batteries to go through today, same as in part 1, and hopefully I've got a little bit better. I don't know, let's find out. Oh, beautiful sunshine today, really feels quite warm, that's why I'm just here in a t-shirt, haven't got on my my usual jumper. But do you know what, this little guy is really quite special. I really think I really like him. I really like him. Now, okay, so how many hours have I put in since the last video? Well, I don't know since the last video, but I think all in all now I'm up to about 12 hours on this guy, I think. I'll have to check my notes for that. But yeah, I've been putting in a lot of time with this guy just to hone my skills a little bit better actually, and just to get him cornering better, just to get him moving better, just to tighten up everything, just so that I can then really get some hoops and make up my own little FPV course. And I think the great thing about doing that is that I can really put some of what I've learnt to test, and at the same time I can really put this guy and show this guy what he's, and show him, show everybody what this guy's about, as he says, bottom him hang out again. Got to concentrate on what I'm doing. Now, as these guys have about 4 to 5 minutes approximately of battery each, it is a little bit annoying that you're just getting into the swing of things and then the battery goes. But then I suppose, to be honest, hearing from a few people the last time I said these things don't have enough battery, and people are like, dude, I can complete a course in like 19 seconds. I'm like, all right, okay, all right. What a way to rub it in. But great, cheers for letting me know, because I've been watching a lot of DRL since well, for the past couple of months actually, and I've seen exactly how fast they go, and it is insanely quick. But yeah, all in all, I really like him. He's a great little flyer. Ooh, almost managed to save him. But it's just the tight turning as well. It's just incredibly good with this guy. And it's that I'm going to be needing to get through hoops and to quickly flip him back around. That's why I thought I would share these videos with you, because I think it's quite interesting, having a little acro flyer. Oh, I think this battery is on its way out. Right, let's change this battery and then let's take him back up. So let's cut out battery 1, put in battery 2, then we should have another couple of minutes on this guy as well. That should be good. We got FPV recording, we do indeed. Right, I think I've got something over that lens. Let's just give that a little bit of a wipe there. Yeah, that's perfect. Clear, clear, clear. So a lot of you may ask, why aren't I wearing the goggles? Well, I'm not wearing the goggles for a simple reason. I want to see what this guy is doing by just using my eyes, not through his own eye. I want to gauge how I'm using the transmitter and what that's actually looking like on the quadcopter. Plus, using FPV goggles is a nightmare when it comes to quadcopters, or any FPV goggles really when you're wearing glasses. My eyesight isn't terrible, I can wear them, I've shown that when I've used my RC cars and the like. But still, I would, because I'm still practicing with acro at this stage, I very much would like to just be able to see him. I think that is a better option for now. I can get into the complexities of using FPV at a later date, because I'm not new to that at all, or virtual reality or anything like that. So what I am new to is acro, or newish to acro. Ooh, that was a bit of a tight turn, but yes. Oh, bottomed in out again. Disarm. It's important to disarm. Alright, let's get him again. Let's take him back up. Whereabouts did he go? I think he went round about here, didn't he? Yeah, he's right there. There he is. Right then, little guy. Let's take you up again. So hit us up in the comments. How long have you been flying FPV racing, or FPV racing, or how long have you been flying in general? There we are. Let's get those separated into 2 questions. Do you enjoy it? What's your go-to quad? Let's get some conversation started. Okay. Armed, back up. So yes, there we go. It's a nice little, I think it's nice to have a little diary like this just to show exactly, because in many years I'll be looking back to this and thinking, oh my god, was I actually that terrible? I hope, anyway. Oh, and up you go. Saved you a little bit. I'm not quick enough with the reflex, so he's now and again still bottoming out, but every now and again I manage to get it just right, and I'm thinking, oh, that's exactly how to do it, and then I don't concentrate properly, and then I do it again and he bottoms out. Right, some tight turns up, bit too quick on the positive pitch there for him to shift, so he just totally bottomed out there. Right, okay, I don't know how much longer I've got on this particular battery. I took a bit of grass there with me that time. There's nothing wound around the propellers. No, these are in a bit of a state though. I'm going to have to give this a proper clean when I go home. That's the only problem with flying as early as I do. That there is dew on the grass, and it does make a hell of a difference. Yeah. Oh, take him straight up. Oh, days. There we go. Little bit of twitching there as he came back down, dropped him too quick. Beautiful. Oh, a little bit too much there as well, getting a little bit too involved with the music in the background. That festival is still ongoing, and I thought it would be finished by now, but obviously not. So sorry if you can hear music over the top of my music and over the top of talking. But oh, days, come on, fella. There we go. Oh, I think we're getting close to that battery time because he's not as powerful. Yeah, he's not going up any further than, oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, hey. Yeah, no more stunts for you today, I think, fella. Let's try it up and then positive pitch forward. Oh, no. That is the battery going, so I'm going to keep him close. I don't want him bottoming out somewhere that I can't see him. Yeah, that's it. He's down, he's down. Okay, disarm. Beautiful. Right, there we go. So thanks folks for joining this time again. This is the second Acro Diaries. I am going to be doing more in the future. Just wanted to get some out there, so if there was any advice, or if anyone is starting off, these beginner videos may help you as well. So there we are folks, I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time my friends, happy racing.